John Erickson here, coming to you from Los Angeles, California. 6 feet tall, 175 pounds. Reading for the role of Keith. More than happy to grow a beard and or shave. Also willing to get a haircut, trim it up, if you like. Thanks. You called about a domestic disturbance?
Yes, hi, I'm Ann Davis. I'm with Social Services. My client Lily has missed her last few wellness checks, and it's recently come to my attention that she's living with an abusive boyfriend. However, she's never pressed charges. I wanted to stop by to check on her, and then I heard screams coming from inside the house.
Right. I'll check it out.
Thank you, officer. Keith Adams?
Yes.
On second thought, I think it's best I stay with you.
No offense, miss, but it's not necessary. Both the homeowner and Lily have a history of substance abuse, which could be dangerous.
I tend to keep my professionalism around you guys because I don't like to assume, but with you?
Hey, look, I'm already here to check out that everything's fine, and then you can conduct your wellness check. I'm well aware I'm notorious for a mistake I made long ago, so...
A mistake shouldn't constitute the death of an innocent man, Jeremy Wallace.
Well, out here in the real world, not everyone is as privileged as you to see life that way.
I'm the privileged one? Ah! I'm staying for Lily.
More than welcome to. You do have authority, just not over me. Do not forget that. Unit 8, 451. Suspect is in custody. Still waiting on backup. Sakai, I'll take care of you.
I want you both out.
All right. Just drop the knife, okay?
You motherfucker!
Don't!
Keith!
Lily, we can help you.
I'll fucking kill you!
No.